Hello, everyone. Welcome to my micro lecture. Today, I will introduce the basic knowledge of barcode research of JAXA barcode technology. Barcoding technology. It is based on computer technology and information technology developed. It is a new technology integrating coding, printing, recognition, data collection, and processing. The core content of barcode technology is to use photoelectric scanning equipment to read barcode symbols so as to realize the automatic recognition of the machine and quickly and accurately enter the information into the computer for data processing so as to achieve the purpose of automatic management. The research objects of barcode technology mainly include coding rules, symbol representation technology, reading technology, generation and printing technology, and application system design. 1. Coding rules. Coding rules are the basic content of barcode technology and also the main basis for formulating code standards and identifying barcode symbols. In order to facilitate the circulation of goods across countries and regions, meet the needs of modern management of goods, and enhance the compatibility of barcode automatic identification system, all countries, regions, and industries must follow and implement International Unified Barcode standards. 2. Symbol representation technology. A barcode is a symbol consisting of a set of bars and spaces arranged in a specific order and corresponding data characters. A barcode is a graphical information code for different code systems. Barcode symbol composition rules are also different. At present, the commonly used one-dimensional barcode standards include EAN commodity barcode, UPC commodity barcode, GS11 to 8 barcode, interleaved 25 bars code, CODA code, 39 bars code, and so on. The commonly used codes for two-dimensional barcodes are PDF 417 code, KER code, etc. The main content of symbol representation technology is to study barcode symbol design of various code standards, symbol representation, and symbol production. 3. Reading technology. Barcode automatic reading technology can be divided into hardware technology and software technology. Automatic reading, hardware technology, mainly converts the data represented by barcode symbols into computer-readable data and realizes data communication with computers. The hardware support system can be divided into photoelectric conversion technology, decoding technology, communication technology, and computer technology. In addition to the traditional photoelectric technology, the photoelectric conversion system now mainly uses the CCD or image sensor technology and laser technology. Software technology mainly solves problems of data processing, data analysis, decoding, etc. Data communication is realized through the combination of software and hardware technologies. In the design of barcode automatic reading equipment, considering the cost and volume, it is often mainly supported by hardware, so feasible software measures should be taken as far as possible to realize decoding and data communication. In recent years, barcode technology has gradually penetrated into many technical fields, and people often regard barcode automatic reading devices as important functional components of electronic instruments, electromechanical equipment, and household appliances, so it is more practical to reduce the volume and cost. 4. Generation and printing technology. As long as we master the coding rules and barcode standards and use barcodes to represent the required data, it is not difficult to solve. But how to print it out? This involves generation and printing technology. We know that. In bar code symbols, the width of bars and spaces contains information. First, use computer software to generate barcode proofs in accordance with the selected code system, corresponding standards and relevant requirements, and then according to the carrier medium and the required quantity, select the most suitable printing technology and equipment. Therefore, in the process of barcode symbol printing, there are strict requirements such as reflectivity, contrast, and bar space edge roughness, and so on. Therefore, it is necessary to choose appropriate printing, technology, and equipment to ensure that barcodes that meet the standards are printed. 5. Barcode Application System Design Technology. Barcode application system consists of barcode, reading equipment, electronic computer, and communication system. The configuration of barcode application systems varies according to different applications. Generally speaking, the application effect of barcode application system mainly depends on the design of the system. The features of barcode technology. In information input technology, there are many kinds of automatic identification technologies. As a graphical identification technology, compared with other identification technology, has the following features. 1. Simple barcode. Symbols are easy to make, and scan operation is simple and easy. 2. Fast information collection speed. A computer keyboard inputs 200 characters per minute, and barcode scanning is 20 times faster than a keyboard. 3. Large amount of information is collected. With barcode scanning, dozens of characters of information can be collected at a time, and the character density can be increased by selecting barcodes of different code systems so that the amount of input information can be doubled. For high reliability, the bit error rate of keyboard input is 1 in 300. The bit error rate of optical character recognition technology is about 1 in 10,000. With barcode input scanning method, the error rate is only 1 in a million, and the first reading rate can reach more than 98%. 5. Flexible and practical. Barcode symbol as a means of identification can be used alone or can be associated with related equipment to form a recognition system to achieve automatic identification, and also can be linked with other control equipment to achieve automatic management of the whole system. At the same time, when there is no automatic identification device, manual keyboard input can also be realized. 6. Great freedom. Compared with OCR, there is more freedom for the relative position of the device and the barcode label. Barcodes usually represent information in one dimension, but the information on the same barcode symbol is continuous. In this way, even if the barcode symbol on the label is partially incomplete in the direction of the bars, the correct information can still be read from the normal part. 7. The equipment has simple structure and low cost. Barcode symbol recognition equipment is simple in structure and easy to operate without special training. Compared with other automatic identification technologies, the promotion and application of bar code technology requires lower costs. The structure of barcode symbols. A complete barcode symbol. It is composed of blank space on both sides. Starting character, data character. For commodity barcode, it includes left data character, middle separator character. Check character is optional, and end character and character for human recognition, as shown in the figure. Microclass assignments. As long as the barcode symbol can be read, there is no quality problem. Is this statement right? How should we practice the craftsman spirit in the application of barcode technology? That is all for today's lesson. See you next time.